being a little bit too inflatable and it looks weird. It looks weird, guys. It looks weird. It's only boats. It's inflatable boats. I'm not watching videos of people popping balls. Relax. I know it's a thing, guys. I know. I thought it was weird too, but whatever. Some people might think I like inflatables is weird. All right, this is. What is this? Is this fiberglass or is this aluminum? Oh, that's aluminum. Gelex aluminum boats. Well, if I would have read that sign earlier, I would have known immediately, but the freaking build is so good, I couldn't tell. I look for welds, guys. I look at your welds. And normally on smaller boats like this, you don't see a lot of the finish work. And this has a lot of finish work. Look, this guy's opening the rod holders. So I've noticed a trend over here. A lot of people like to exhibit the boats without the motors. They want you to choose, right? Look at this, I love this. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, 100% there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this whole show. There's no way. I mean, I would have to be a monster. Or a 4-hour video. And listen, I'm willing to do a 4-hour video if you guys are willing to watch. In pieces, not all 4 hours. I don't want you guys to have that much of me. My wife will get jealous. I'm that wanted, guys. I know. I'm playing around, guys. Relax. What's going on here? I like this. Look, we got some bass boats over here too. It's like the bass fishing a thing over here.